Hello, my dear students. Today we are going to learn the lesson 1.2 Dick Whittington and his cat, which is a very inspirational, which is a very motivational story. Means the story convey the message of motivation. The story convey the message of inspiration. Okay, means how Dick Whittington rise his luck and he become a mayor of London, that we are going to learn from this story. Okay, means you can take the motivation from Dick Whittington in this story. Now see here, next paragraph means page number 6. They arrived in London. Means yesterday we saw Dick started walking on the way of London. Okay, and then what happened next? They arrived in London. Means he started his journey with cartsman. Okay, and they arrive means cartsman and Dick Whittington arrive in London just before nightfall. Means before the nightfall they arrived in London. मतलब नाइट रात होने से पहले वो लंदन पहुंच गए. एंड द कार्टर लेफ्ट डिक एंड मेड हिज वे टू एन इन. एंड कार्टर लेफ्ट डिक ऑन द रोड. कार्टर लेफ्ट डिक ऑन द रोड and Carter made his way to an inn. Inn means a hotel. Okay, so he made his way to an hotel. ओके, मतलब वो कार्टर डिक को रास्ते में छोड़कर होटल में चला गया. पुअर डिक स्टूड अलोन एंड लुक अराउंड हिम इन डिसमे. पुअर डिक, he stood alone because he was unknown in this city of London, and that's why poor Dick stood alone on the street and looked around him in dismay. Dismay means meaning of dismay, great disappointment. Disappointment means very sad. Means he was stood alone and looked around him in a dismay. He looked around with a very disappointment, with a great disappointment, with a he was very unhappy, and he looked around him. Where was all that fine gold? And because why he was get there this great disappointment, great unhappiness, because there was nothing the gold on that street, nothing the gold on that road. ओके, जो भी उसने सुना था कि लंदन के रास्ते पूरे सोने से भरे हुए, सोने के पीस है, लेकिन वहाँ कुछ भी गोल्ड उसको दिखाई नहीं दिया. एंड ऑल ही कुड सी वेयर dirty streets and lot of unfriendly people. And what instead of gold, what he saw there? All good means everywhere there was a dirty streets. मतलब जो भी रास्ते वो बहुत ही डर्टी थे. और लॉट्स ऑफ अनफ्रेंडली पीपल, एंड देर आर लॉट्स ऑफ अनफ्रेंडली पीपल, दोज पीपल हु आर अनफ्रेंडली. ओके, he had now nowhere to sleep, and in the end he spent the night in the corner of an alley where he hoped he would come to no harm. And see, he saw there lots of unfriendly people and no any street of piece of gold. He saw only their dirty streets and lot of unfriendly people. He had now nowhere to sleep, and there is no place to sleep. Where he want to sleep, there he find a place. In the end, he spent the night in the corner of an alley. Alley means see, a narrow passage between or behind building. मतलब बिल्डिंग के पास जो बहुत ही छोटा सा पैसेज था, और मतलब जो भी बिल्डिंग के पीछे था, उसने वो रात बीती. वेयर ही होप ही वुड कम टू नो हार्म. उसने ऐसे सोचा वहाँ उसको कोई भी परेशानी नहीं होगी, मतलब no one can harm to him there. The next morning Dick woke up cold, miserable and very hungry. And next morning when Dick woke up, when he get up, that time there was very cold and miserable and very hungry. That time he feel very cold. He felt very cold. He felt very miserable. Miserable means he felt very sad because he was very hungry. Miserable means sad. He wandered around begging for food, but again and again people shouted him. And he wandered there means he moved there or he roaming there for the food, for begging for the food. Begging, ना beggars beg the food. Beggars मतलब जैसे भिखारी भीख मांगता है, वैसे ही वो अपने he was very hungry and that's why he wandered around to beg the food. But again and again people shouted at him, "Go away, you lazy fellow." When he was begging the food that time, again and again people are shouted at him. Go away means people shouted at him. They said to him, "Go away, you lazy fellow." जब भी वो फूड मांगता था उस लोगों ने उसने कितना लेजी फेलो, यू आर लेजी फेलो, गो अवे फ्रॉम देम, बी ऑफ विथ यू एंड एम एंग्री ब्लोज एट हिज हेड एंड दे आर टू बी ऑफ विथ यू, अपना कुछ भी करता है, कुछ भी मांगता है, ऐसे बोल के उसको बहुत ही लोग एंग्री एंड दे लुक एट हिम वेरी एंग्रीली. People look at him very angrily. Means their angry blows at his head. Okay. At last he collapsed in the street and lay there. At last he was very hungry and that's why at last no one gave him a food. And what happened? At last he collapsed in the road. Means he was collapsed. मतलब वो गिर गया. Okay, on the street and lay there, and he was lay on the road, too weak to further for food. He was too weak because of hunger, and look further for food. No one gave him food and that's why he was collapsed on the road. No, and because of his hunger, look further for food. Yeah, no one gave him for a long time to give him a food. Okay, next part we will continue tomorrow.